Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from Mac Medics again, checking in as the OG data recovery expert in the area. A customer called about this Kaleidoscape device that was missing some data, and his AV company told him that it would be impossible to get the data off. Well, not so fast, guys. I mean, this has a hard drive. So in about 15 minutes, we were able to get the hard drive out of the device and we were able to access the data that was missing. Even if the device is sick, that doesn't mean the data is necessarily gone. And if you've been told that your data is unrescuable or unrecoverable, it never hurts to check with me and my team. I rescue data and recover data off of all kinds of gear, even stuff like this, which is outside of the Mac universe. Also, I do data recovery on PCs as well. My gear doesn't care whether it's Mac or PC. So before you give up on that data, call me. The other crazy thing is they said to replace this box is like a $6,000 unit. To replace it with the new model, I think is $12,000, and we can probably accomplish the same thing even with a remote control for probably less than $1,000. So we're always thinking outside the box for our customers, and we're happy to do the same for you.